Shift focus and get you other updates. There's a storm of anger sweeping across the country's medical community after the horrific murder and sexual assault of a 31-year-old postgraduate trainee from the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata. Young women doctors, trainees and students have all taken to the streets once again to stage a protest today. From Delhi to Kerala, doctors are standing united against the horrendous crime. Major government hospitals in Delhi have halted all their elective services indefinitely as they demand an immediate action and protection for healthcare workers, along with a swift, transparent and independent investigation by the CBI. AIIMS, Safdarjung Hospital, RML Hospital, GTB Hospital, Maulana Azad Medical Hospital are all in Delhi, and they've stopped all non-emergency services as doctors protest on the streets. Down south, Kerala's medical community has also joined in. Towards the east, representatives of the all-resident doctors of West Bengal have announced to cease work in all the medical colleges of the state. Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors, meanwhile, will halt all non-emergency medical services from 8 a.m. on the 13th of August. Remember, nationally, the Federation of Resident Doctors Association has escalated this situation, writing to the Health Minister JP Nadda as well, and announcing a nationwide suspension of non-emergency services in hospitals from today. The Federation of All India Medical Association has announced a nationwide strike from the 13th of August. Amid growing criticism, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee visited the victims' residence and met with the family members. NCW members, on the other hand, will visit the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital to conduct an inquiry as well. Meanwhile, Union Health Minister's office is in touch with the protesting doctors as the government seeks a resolution.
ফরেনসিক ডিপার্টমেন্ট থেকে শুরু করে সবাইকেই ইনভলভ করা হয়েছে যাতে খুনি গ্রেফতার হয় এবং দোষীরা শাস্তি পায়, এবং আমি চাই পুলিশ যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব দোষীদের গ্রেফতার করবে। আর রবিবার পর্যন্ত যদি তারা কুল কিনারা করতে না পারেন, কারণ ভেতরেও তো অনেকে আছে, তাহলে এই কেসটা আমরা আমাদের হাতে রাখবো না, আমরা সিবিআই কে দিয়ে দেবো।
All right, my colleagues on the ground are getting us continuous non-stop coverage of the protests that have been happening across the country after this horrific crime took place. Jayalakshmi from Kerala, Neha from Bengaluru are joining, and of course, Shweta from Mumbai, Amandeep from Chandigarh, Adib from Lucknow and Tapas from Kolkata. All of them are on the ground tracking these protests by medical students across the country. For now, let me go across to my colleagues Jayalakshmi and Neha. Jayalakshmi is joining us from Kerala. Jayalakshmi, get us the latest that's happening. Medical students, the medical fraternity are all very, very angry after this crime has taken place. They are demanding justice as well as protection from the government.
Certainly they need to. The medical fraternity in the state of Kerala had announced a strike today, and for a time span of 1 hour, all the medical OP services were stopped and all the surgeries were on hold. But later they did resume the surgeries. But the major demand by the protesters in the state, the government college authorities and the government college students, the junior doctors, the house surgeons, everybody took to protest against this brutal rape and murder case in West Bengal. And in fact, the major demand is, the safety of the doctors who are the saviors of the human lives. They constantly are trying to save the human common people's life. So who is responsible for their safety is the question that is being raised by the government, by the hospital authorities and the medical fraternities here. So the protest is demanding justice against this brutal rape and murder, and also that, severe steps to be taken regarding the safety concerns of the medical doctors and the medical fraternity in the state as well and across the country. Obviously, we also, Kerala state had also witnessed a recent incident, whereas Dr. Vandana Das was also a medical trainee student who was attacked while on duty and was murdered by one of the patients. So that is again such incidents are the ones that are being raised over by the medical fraternity in the state and, raising concern over the safety of the people who are responsible for the safety of the common public. So that is the major question, and they demand strict punishment against this accused.
Right. Let me also go across to my colleague Neha joining us from Bengaluru. Neha, doctors across the country protesting. Several medical colleges and hospitals have also stopped non-elective services, non-emergency services, beg your pardon, in hospitals. What's the status there? What's the ground situation? Also, what about the patients getting affected?
Well, yes, Shreya, in fact, all through the morning and early afternoon as well, we were with the resident doctors who have been protesting there, demanding justice and more importantly, demanding a basic right, that's safety while they're on duty in these hospitals. Remember, of course, what happened in Kolkata is definitely something that sent shockwaves now down the spines of people across the country. It's a nationwide strike by the doctors. And even in Bengaluru at the Nimhans Hospital where we were earlier, we brought visuals of how doctors were protesting, while of course the resident doctors and the junior doctors also have of course abandoned their services today at the OPD and the emergency as well. It is the senior doctors now who are supporting their strike, allowing them to be on strike while they take care of the OPD and the emergency services. Of course, this is something that we really have to wait and see, the impact of which wouldn't really be known until such time. But what we do know, of course, is that doctors have called for an indefinite strike now, even over here in Bengaluru, until such time that their demands are not met and until such time that the CPA, or in fact, the Protection Act that the doctors have been demanding, is brought into force.